Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to make a line ticker. So as example, you can create line object, and if you want to make this line ticker, you can select the line object and then go to the line weight. So you can set it here for the line weight like into 0,09, and another like this line I will set for the line weight into 0,8. Now to show for the line weight, you can click at these icons in status bar. Toggle line weight on or off. So that's it. And you can click against the line object to change the line ticker. I will set into 0,5. And another, I will set these lines for the line weight into 2. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to make a line ticker.